My name is Salwa Nuriana Wirman from 1D. I wanna explain about vowel sound. The first, short vowel. Number 1, E. E, E. The example, sin, sin, sin. Him, him, him. And last, sit, sit, sit. Number 2, oo, oo, oo. The example, cook, 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 could, could, could. Look, look, look. Number 3, ah, ah, ah. The example, cup, 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 cut, cut, cut. Up, up, up. Next, oh, oh, oh. The example, sock, sock, sock. Lock, lock, lock. Box, box, box. Next, uh, uh, uh. The example, ladder, ladder, ladder. Picture, picture, picture. Next, a, a, a. The example, hell, hell, hell. Pen, pen, pen. Next, a, a, a. The example, cat, cat, cat. Catfish, catfish, catfish. And the second, long vowels. Number 1, E, E, E. The example, meal, meal, meal. Sheep, sheep, sheep. C, C, C. Number 2, ooh, ooh, ooh. The example, food, food, food. Two, two, two. Pool, pool, pool. Number 3, ah, ah, ah. The example, cart, cart, cart. Bar, bar, par. Heart, heart, heart. Next, oh, oh, oh. The example, horse, horse, horse. Four, four, four. Court, court, court. Next, uh, uh, uh. The example, girl, girl, girl. Bird, bird, bird. Word, word, word. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.